This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. How can I maintain good credit? There are a few things you need to do consistently to maintain good credit. First, you have to stay credit active by having at least one open credit card. Even if you don't like debt, you can use the credit card as a debit card and pay it off every month to avoid interest charges and build good credit. Second, you must demonstrate that you can handle debt well by making your payments on time. If you owe some debt, chances are that you will be required to make a payment at least every month. Be aware of those payments, plan for them, and try not to miss them. Any missed payment will be recorded on your credit bureau record and cause your score to drop. Moreover, missing multiple payments in a row will significantly damage your score. If you are struggling financially and still owe some debt, reach out to your lender and ask for a workout solution. If you stop repaying your debt, your lender will likely start collection efforts and eventually take you to court. All this will be recorded on your credit report and further damage your score. Finally, since the best cure is prevention, try to moderate your credit usage. Excessive usage of credit will hurt your score. Every attempt to get a loan is recorded on your credit report as an inquiry. So applying too often for a loan will cause your score to drop. Similarly, constantly maxing out your credit card limit is also a sign of excess use of debt. So avoid maxing out on your credit card and pay down high balances as quickly as you can.